You know that first impression when you walk into a building? It matters. So is your front desk setting the right tone?
Does this look a little too familiar? That paper logbook, messy handwriting, and the pen dangling by a thread?
I mean, the difference is just night and day, right? You've got total clutter versus a clean digital experience. And look, this isn't just about convenience. It's your first and most critical line of defense, period.
And get this, companies often spend 2 to 3 times more on these outdated manual methods. It's wild.
The costs just add up so fast. Paper, extra staff, tracking risks, and all that lost productivity.
Thankfully, there's a much better way. It's the security-first digital platform, designed for this exact problem.
Its mission is simple: boost your security, but make the process way easier for everyone involved. At its heart, the system tracks, verifies, and monitors every visitor. It creates a solid chain of security.
And it's so easy. A quick digital check-in, instant alerts for the host, and a secure, searchable digital record.
But here's why customers really choose it. It's way more than a visitor system. It's a full operational platform.
I mean, it goes way beyond visitors. It handles attendance, deliveries, security patrols, even service requests.
The results are pretty amazing. We're talking a 25% reduction in admin effort and 35% for security staff. This also means faster audits, real-time visibility across all your sites, and just happier people all around. And look, this isn't just a concept, it's a proven solution. The numbers tell a really powerful story. Over 376,000 visitors have been tracked. Now that number represents some serious trust and reliability.
It all boils down to a super simple promise. Get organized and you'll feel secure.
Another huge reason customers choose this platform is the flexibility. It's a scalable investment, not some big fixed cost.
The pricing is totally customized. You only pay for the users, locations, and modules you actually need.
So the bottom line is powerful. By cutting inefficiencies and strengthening compliance, the platform actually pays for itself.
So, it just leads to one final question for you. Is your first critical line of defense truly ready for the future?